In this problem, it is given that 16x square minus 9y square plus 32y plus 32x plus 36y minus 164, and now we have to find all the parameters of this hyperbola. So you can see that is the equation of hyperbola is given, and now we have to find all the parameters. So first of all, you know that the rule of this type of concept, this type of equation, how to solve the hyperbola equation. So first of all, arrange all the x terms together and all the y terms together. You can see that I arranged over here. Now we will using the computing square method. So you can take 16 common from both the side, you can take minus 9 common from both the side, it will remain same. Now this time by using the computing square concept, I hope so the squaring of computing square you have clear. So we will add plus 1 and minus 1, that's why we will convert this equation x plus 1 whole square, and this time we will convert this computing square by using plus 4 and minus 4 over here. So you can see that I am using plus 4 and minus 4, equation is balanced. I am adding plus 1 minus 1, again equation is the balance, and it will remain the same. Now this time you can write this expression like this, and you can write this expression like this, and minus 4 remains same, minus 1 remains same over here. Now you will multiply by plus 16 entire this bracket and minus 9 entire this bracket, and you will simplify, so you will get the entire expression like this. Now we will divide 140 whole the equation by 144. 144 will come to in the denominator, so we will convert this equation into standard form of the hyperbola. So expression will looking like this, and now this is the horizontal hyperbola, where you can see that the center coordinate you will compare with equals to 0. So center coordinate is minus 1, and center coordinate when you compare y minus 2 equals to 0, it would be 2, and this is the horizontal hyperbola. So let me draw the geometry of this hyperbola. So this is the geometry of, you can see that this is hyperbola, and this is the center, you can see that, and you will compare x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1, so first coordinate of center is minus 1, and you will compare y minus 2 equals to 0, so coordinate of y will be plus 2. So now this is the coordinate of center. Now you can see that this is the length of transversal, and this length is, you can see that is the 3. The distance from center to vertex is 3, so 3 plus 3 it would be 6. So 2a is the length of transversal, it would be 6, and this is the length of conjugate, you can see that. So length of conjugate is my mistake, it would be 4, because यहाँ से 16 मिलेगा तो 4 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. So the length is 2b, and this is the value of b. So when you will be find the value of 2b, so 2b is equal to, it would be 8. Now we have to find the coordinate of vertex. So देखिए सेंटर 1 पे है, जब आप यहाँ से 3 मूव करेंगे, क्योंकि टोटल लेंथ 6 है, सो वर्टेक्स आपको 1 ऐड होके मिलेगा 4,2, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. नाउ यू विल रिड्यूस द 3 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, सो सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेट इज -1, एंड नाउ यू विल बी मूविंग टूवर्ड द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो देखिए -1 से आप जब 3 पीछे जाएंगे, सो माइनस का 4,0. सो दैट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ वर्टेक्स. Now you have to find the focus coordinate. So देखिए कुछ focus यहाँ आएगा, let me consider, and before focus we required the eccentricity. So first of all we will using the formula of eccentricity. So the formula of eccentricity under root a square plus b square upon a square. So now the eccentricity will be 5/3. Now we can easily find the coordinate of the foci. So let me find the focus coordinate. So that is the formula of the focus coordinate. If center is not 0, 0, so that is the x coordinate of center -1 plus minus a, 0, where value of a we will substitute 3, e already we find 5/3, and y coordinate will never change, everywhere the y coordinate will be 2, so that is the y coordinate. So we find the a value. So the coordinate of focus will be 4, 2 and -6, 2 when you will be find the value of this bracket. So now we have to find the equation of directrix. So we will find the equation of directrix, and formula of the equation of directrix is x equals to center of coordinate plus a by e. So चलिए यहाँ से हम डायरेक्ट्रिक्स फाइंड कर लेते हैं. So you can see that when you will solve, देखिए यहाँ मैंने माइनस, this is the -1, So we will find the directrix equation. X, first equation we will consider x equals to 4 upon 5, and now this equation is x equals to minus 14 by 5. So you can see that we can easily find all the parameters of this type of the equation.